Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for more amazing content. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of you have been asking about: how to earn money online from YouTube. That's right, I'm going to share my personal journey and some actionable tips that you can start using today to monetize your own channel. So, let's jump right in. I started my YouTube channel with a simple idea: sharing my passion for cooking. I had zero experience, just a love for food and a dream to connect with people. At first, it felt like I was throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what would stick, but I kept pushing through, motivated by the thought of possibly making some money along the way. And guess what? You can do it too. So, here's the first thing I learned. Find your niche. It's easier to grow an audience when you hone in on something you're passionate about. Whether it's beauty, gaming, travel, or anything in between, focus on what you love. Audiences are looking for authenticity, and they can feel it when you are excited about what you create. Now, let's talk money. There are 4 main ways you can earn money on YouTube, and I'll break them down for you. 1. Ad revenue. This is the classic way most YouTubers earn their income. You'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which has a few requirements, like having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. But once you're in, you'll start earning a share from ads displayed on your videos. 2. Channel memberships. If you have over 30,000 subscribers, you can offer memberships to your viewers. They pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, like custom badges and live chats. This creates a community feel, and let's be real, who doesn't want to be part of a secret club? 3. Merchandise shelf. Got a brand or some cool designs? You can sell your merch directly on YouTube. This connects your content to your brand, giving your loyal viewers something tangible to support you. 4. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands to promote their products in your videos. When your viewers make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation if you promote products that align with your channel. Now that you know how to monetize your channel, let's talk about the content, because that's the heart of it all. To earn money, you must capture and hold your audience's attention. Here are some tips. Value-driven content. Always aim to provide value. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, ensure your viewers walk away with something worthwhile. Engaging thumbnails and titles. This is your opportunity to hook viewers. Create eye-catching thumbnails and catchy titles that spark curiosity. Trust me, a fantastic thumbnail can make all the difference. That's what gets clicks. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and excited for your next video. And while making money is great, don't forget about community building. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and pop into live streams. The more connected your viewers feel, the more likely they are to support you wholeheartedly. Remember, this is a journey. You're not in it for a quick buck. Build relationships, and the financial rewards will follow. So, there you have it. A roadmap to earning money online from YouTube. A blend of creativity, strategy, and a whole lot of heart. I hope this video inspired you to take the leap and start your own channel. Let me know in the comments what your niche is going to be. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, keep creating and keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Bye for now.